We in here, put in some good work today. You know what I'm saying? Put in some good work today. Did a little arm work. Feeling yoinky, feel me? Got my triceps, traps right, everything good. I love this mirror, it's my favorite mirror. Best lighting ever, and I got it so far, so. It's been a long time since I came in here and posed for y'all. But I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro, the muscle, we can definitely say, you know what I'm saying? We can definitely say I got a little bigger. And lift that heavier, and put in some heavy work. Really not really with the small stuff no more. Been kind of off that, so. Yeah, bro, super excited to continue this lifting journey. It's a blessing to be here and to have gotten this far with no injuries. You feel me? So, yeah, man. It's the physique. Ooh, oh man, the rear delts pop in.